YouTube, I'm hoping this is, I think this is the Zippo from the contest I won on FLAMEspec. So it was the Playboy Bunny Zippo. So yeah, let's quickly open this. This is my other homemade knife I made. Finished it off today. And it's nice and strong, made out of a little bit of stainless steel. So yeah, let's open this. Okay, yeah, it's the Zippo. Let me just see what this is. Hope you like the Zippo. Thanks for entering the contest from FLAMEspec. Right there. So yeah, let's open this. Looks like some Daily Extreme stuff. Some, what do you call this stuff? It looks like it. That's usually the stuff you get from Daily Extreme. Well packaged. There's the Zippo box. And there's the Playboy Zippo. Yeah, wait a minute, let me get this out. Ah. There we go. Yeah, nice Zippo. Sweet. It is June 03. Yeah, I don't think you can see that, but anyway, quite nice. It's quite cool. It's quite cool how it's in like that, even though it's Playboy Zippo. Nice. Yeah. So yeah, I'll put his link in the description. FLAMEspec. He does Zippo reviews, or not Zippo, well, Zippo unboxings, fancy unboxings, knives, stuff like that. So you should go check him out. Yeah, and yeah, cool Zippo. And that's the unboxing to his FLAMEspec. So comment, rate, and subscribe.